This one image mnemonic, you will never forget Darier's disease ever again. Seriously. It looks a bit weird, maybe even a little gross, but that's exactly why it sticks. But before we dive in, remember, mnemonics are a tool, not a replacement for in-depth study. Think of this as the cheat code to keep the facts straight while you do the heavy lifting in your textbooks. Let's get into it. Look at this dairy cow. Dairy sounds like Darier. Notice she's wearing a dominant crown, that's because Darier's is autosomal dominant. It's a hot day. The cow is sweating under a bright sun. Why? Because heat, sweat, and UV light are major triggers for flares. Look at her back, she's developed greasy, brown, crusty spots. These are the classic keratotic papules found in seborrheic areas. And if you get close to the skin folds, or flexures, there's a distinct malodor. Yes, Darier's can be a very smelly disease due to secondary infections. Check out the hooves. They have red and white longitudinal stripes with V-shaped notches at the tips. This is textbook for nail involvement. The cow is standing by a palm tree, but look at the leaves, they're full of holes. These represent the palmar pits, Acrokeratosis verruciformis. Lying next to her is a broken calcium pump. This represents the ATP2A2 mutation, the circa 2 pump. Without this pump, calcium regulation fails, and the glue holding skin cells together falls apart. And see that brain-shaped cloud with the lightning bolt? That's your reminder of the neuropsychiatric links, like epilepsy or intellectual disability, often associated with the condition. In front of the cow, we have crops and grains. In pathology, this is your smoking gun, acantholysis with core rons, crops, and grains. Finally, look at this crimson-red cloth with lithium written on it. The cow sees her reflection and starts going mad. Lithium is famous for aggravating Darier's by interfering with that calcium regulation we mentioned earlier. If your patient is on lithium, watch out for a major exacerbation. It's weird, it's funny, and now, it's stuck in your brain. It's all you need to know. Remember, Darier's disease is autosomal dominant. Mutation in ATP2A2 gene, circa 2 calcium pump. Greasy, hyperkeratotic, skin color to brown papules. Predominantly in seborrheic areas. Flexural involvement with maceration, crusting, foul smell. Exacerbated by heat, sweating, friction, UV exposure. Fragile, brittle nails. V-shaped nicking at free edge. Longitudinal red and white streaks. Subungual hyperkeratosis. Palmar pits. Histopathology. Acantholysis. Keratosis. Core rons. Grains. Lithium worsens the disease. The dairy cow has it all, the crown, the broken pump, the greasy spots, the striped nails, and the lithium reflection. Replay this image in your head during your exam, and you'll crush it. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and follow. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye-bye.